Today we are going to talk about the Green Revolution. So basically the Green Revolution was the period that began in 1960s during which agriculture in India was converted into a modern industry system by the adoption of technology such as the use of yielding variety HYV seeds, mechanized farm tools, irrigation facilities, pesticides and fertilizers mainly LED by agriculture scientist Mr. Swaminathan in India. This period was a part of the largest green revolution. In high yielding varieties, the novel technological development of green revolution was the production of novel wheat cultivars, cultivars of maize, wheat and rice that are generally referred to as HYV or high yielding varieties. HYVs have high nitrogen absorbing potential than other varieties since cereals that absorb extra nitrogen would or fall over before harvest. Semi-dwarfing genes were bred into their genomes. Japan wheat cultivar Norin 10 developed by Japanese in which the Gonjiro Inuzuka was sent to at Washington State was created through a cross between an Indonesian variety named Pita and a Chinese variety named Dijogen in the 1916s. When a food crisis happened in Asia, the spread of HIV rice was aggravated intensely. The Green Revolution spreads technologies that already existed but have not been widely implemented outside industrialized nations. Two kinds of technology were used in the Green Revolution and aimed at cultivation and breeding area respectively. The technologies in cultivation are targeted at providing excellent growing conditions, which includes modern irrigation projects, pesticides, and synthetic nitrogen fertilizers. The breeding technologies aimed at improving crop varieties developed through the conventional science-based method available at the time. These technologies include hybrids combining modern genetics with selections. In the Green Revolution or the Third Agriculture Revolution, the initiative occurred between 1950 and the late 1960s. The increased agriculture production in parts of the world being mostly markedly in the late 1960s. The initiative resulted in the adoption of new technologies including high variety seeds of cereals, especially draft wheat and rice. It was associated with chemical fertilizers, agrochemical and controlled water supply, usually involving irrigation and newer methods of cultivation including mechanization. In the father of Green Revolution received the Nobel Peace Prize in 1970s. He is credited with saving over a billion people from starvation. As the development of new grain varieties through selective breeding reached their limits, some agriculture scientists turned to the creation of new strains that did not exist in nature genetically modified organisms.